So, Mr. Randall, you're charged with failure to identify oneself as a fugitive from justice. That is a Class A misdemeanor. That was from 2022. And I guess you didn't show up for the arraignment, I'm assuming, so we revoked the bond. We issued the warrant. 3 years later, now you've picked up an assault bodily injury. On that one, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to...
A law enforcement officer was dispatched to an assault in progress call and made contact with the complaining witness. The law enforcement officer observed the complaining witness to have blood on their face and fresh cuts on his face and near his eye. The complaining witness stated he walked on a bridge and passed the defendant and told him to have a good day. The defendant then stated, "What the fuck did you just say to me? You got a problem." The complaining witness told the defendant that he didn't have a problem and did not want any trouble. The defendant then got into a fighting stance and struck the complaining witness in the face multiple times, took him to the ground, continued striking him, and stuck his finger in the complaining witness's eye. The complaining witness stated he was in fear for his life. Law enforcement officers took pictures of what he recognized to be a bite mark on the complaining witness. The officer observed the complainant's eye being red and the bottom part of his eye having a fresh cut, and abrasions on both sides of his face and above his forehead.
I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of weapons. I don't know if you're going to bond out, but if you do, I'm going to put a monitor on your ankle because you're a flight risk. So the problem is that I can't give you a PR bond. We gave you a PR bond last time and you took off. Now, 3 years later, you picked up a new case. And the only reason we have you back is because of this. So I can't just give you another PR bond, you know?
And Your Honor, Mr. Randall would like me to communicate to the court that he was under the impression that his prior offense was dismissed and it was a misunderstanding, but that he has every intention to satisfy his obligations.